A real account is one which deals the accounts of property. A nominal account is one which deals the incomes and expenses. Cash account data to commission account, insurance premium paid, insurance premium account data or insurance account data to bank account. Furniture is an asset, debit side. Purchase is a debit side. Purchase return is a credit side. Sales is a credit side. Discount allowed is a debit side. Manohar account creditor. Hello my dear students, I am Dr. B.S. Subramanian, called by name Dr. B.S.S., professors in Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. In this session, I am going to hang Fundamentals of Business Accounting, first semester, Unit 2, Session 6 of BBA, in favor of passing the journal entries and preparing the ledger account. In the previous session, we passed only journal entry. Now, we pass the journal entry and prepare the ledger accounts. Journalize the following transactions and post them into the ledger and balance the accounts. Also prepare trial balance. Commence a business with cash. What is coming in? Cash. I told you in the last session about the personal account, real account, and nominal account. A personal account is one which deals the accounts of person. A real account is one which deals the accounts of property. A nominal account is one which deals the incomes and expenses. So the rules are for personal account: debit the receiver, credit the giver. Real account: debit what comes in, credit what goes out. Nominal account: debit all expenses and losses, credit all gains and incomes. So same principle we are going to apply. Commence business with cash. What's the entry? Cash account data to capital account. Here see that. Commence business with cash. Open the bank. Commence with cash. Entry: cash account data to capital account. Being business commenced. Then open the bank account. We put the money into bank account. What is going out? Cash. Who is the receiver? Bank. Bank account data to cash account. See that? Bank account data to cash. You put the money into bank. What is going out? Cash. Who is the receiver? Bank. Bank is a personal account. Debit the receiver. Come back here. Purchase furniture. Furniture account data to cash account. Purchase goods from Mahesh. Purchases account data to Mahesh account. Purchase goods for cash. Purchases account data to cash account. Return goods to Mahesh. We purchase goods from Mahesh. Return goods to Mahesh. Who is the receiver? Mahesh account data to purchases return. Sold goods for cash. Cash account data to sales account. Sold goods to Dinesh account. Goods sold to whom? Dinesh. Who is the receiver? Dinesh. Dinesh account data to sales account. Paid to Mahesh by check. Mahesh account data to bank account. Received cash from Dinesh 9,500. Discount allowed 500. From whom you are receiving? Dinesh is a personal account. Debit the receiver. Credit the cash account data. Discount account data to Dinesh account. Purchased from Manohar on credit. Purchase account data to Manohar account. Drew cash for personal use. Drawings account data to cash account. Drew from bank for office use. From where we are receiving? Bank. Debit the receiver. What is coming in? Cash. Cash account data to bank account. Commission received. Cash account data to commission account. Insurance premium paid by check. Insurance premium account data to bank account. Come back here. Rent paid by check. Rent account data to bank account. Salary paid to manager. Salary account data to cash account. Wages paid. Wages account data to cash account. Here same entry. Cash account data to capital account. Paid into bank. Bank account data to cash account. Furniture purchase. Furniture account data to cash account. Purchased goods from Mahesh. Purchase account data to Mahesh account. Then purchase goods for cash. Purchases account data to cash account. Goods returned to Mahesh. Mahesh account data to purchases return. Then goods sold for cash. Cash account data to sales account. Goods sold to Dinesh. Dinesh account data to sales account. Paid Mahesh by check. We paid Mahesh by check. Mahesh account data to bank account. We received the money cash from Dinesh 9,500 and discount allowed 500. Entry cash account data, discount allowed account data to Dinesh account. Then goods purchased from Manohar, purchases account data to Manohar account. Drawn for personal use, drawing account data to cash account. Drawn from the bank for office use, cash account data to bank account. Commission received, cash account data to commission account. Insurance premium paid, insurance premium account data or insurance account data to bank account. Then rent paid by check, rent account data to bank account. You will say cash, rent account data to cash account. Salary paid, salary account data to cash account. Wages paid, wages account data to cash account. This is the journal entry. Now we'll go with the ledger. Ledger accounts from cash. Wherever cash is there, you have to look after. Go in the first entry. Here see that cash account data to capital account. Then bank account data to cash account data to sales account, furniture account data to cash account. Then 4th over 10, cash account data to Dinesh account. Then drawings account data to cash account. Then cash account data to bank account. So wherever the cash, you have to see that. So entry here, cash account data to capital account, cash account data to sales account, cash account data to Dinesh account, cash account data to bank account, cash account data to commission receivable account, received account. Bank account data to cash account, furniture account data to cash account, purchase account data to cash account, drawing account data to cash account, salary account data to cash account, wages account data to cash account by balance. So total it is 2,36,500. If you bring out the difference is 82,500 end of that January month. February brought down, to balance brought down 82,500. Then capital, cash account data to capital account, to balance carried down by balance brought down. Bank account data to cash account, Mahesh account data to bank account, cash account data to wherever banks you have to look after. Insurance account data to bank account, rent account data to balance. So totally 1 lakh, balance carried down is 78,000 that has been brought down. This goes in favor of bank account. Then furniture account data to cash account by balance carried down, then brought down. Purchase account. From Mahesh, purchase account data to Mahesh account, purchase in the form of cash, purchase account data to cash account, purchase from Manohar, purchase account to Manohar. How much purchases we have to pay? 40,000. So out of that, 2 are the credit entry. This is we have purchased. This is cash entry. By balance carried down 40,000. Then Mahesh account, purchase account data to Mahesh account data to purchases return to bank account 10,000. It will tally. Then purchases return, Mahesh account data to purchase return account, to balance carried down 1,000. Sales, Mahesh account data to sales account, Dinesh account data to sales account, to end of the month, to balance carried down. Carried down means end of the brought down to, so February 1st by balance brought down 30,000. Dinesh account data to sales account, how much cash received? 9,000. How much discount allowed? 500. Then discount allowed account data to Dinesh account by balance carried down, to balance brought down. Manohar account, purchases account data to Manohar account, carried down. Next, 1st February brought down. Drawings account debtor to cash account, by balance carried down, to balance brought down. Commission received account, cash account debtor to commission account, to balance carried down, by balance brought down. Then insurance to bank account, insurance premium paid in the form of check 3,000, by balance carried down, brought down. Rent account, rent paid in the form of check, rent account debtor to bank account, by balance carried down, to balance brought down. Then salary to cash, by balance carried down, to balance brought down. Wages paid in the form of cash, wages account debtor to cash account. Now we have to prepare a trial balance with the help of the ledger. So trial balance shows the arithmetical accuracy of books of account. So trial balance has two sides. One is called the debit side, one is called the credit side. Debit side shows assets and expenses. Credit side shows incomes and liability. What's the debit side shows? Assets and expenses. Credit side shows incomes and liabilities. See that first is the cash account we prepare. First you prepare the cash account. What's your balance? 82,500. That will come on the debit side. Then we prepare the capital account, that will come on the credit side. Then we prepare the bank account, that will come on the debit side. Then furniture 20,000 debit side. Purchases carried down 40,000 debit side. Mahesh account, purchases, Mahesh account, by purchases written here, this 10,000 entry has been passed. Purchases written will come on the credit side. Sales will come on the credit side. Dinesh account debtor to sales account. Cash, this will go to discount. Discount allowed to Dinesh account, this goes to discount account. Manohar account, this goes to Manohar account. Purchase goes to purchases account. So same thing you are going here. Cash account, as per the cash book, it is 82,500. Capital, as per the ledger, 2 lakh balance carried down, 2 lakh. Bank account 78,000. Bank is cash at bank 78,000. Furniture is an asset, debit side. Purchase is a debit side. Purchase return is a credit side. Sales is a credit side. Discount allowed is a debit side. Manohar account creditor, because we have purchased goods from him. Creditor we have to pay how much? 10,000. Drawing account we draw how much money? 2,000. Commission received is income, will come on the credit side. Insurance premium paid is an expenditure, debit side. Rent paid is a debit side. Salary paid is a debit side. This is rent paid by check, debit side expenditure. Salary paid is an expenditure. Wages paid is an expenditure. Totally, it will tally for 2,43,000. It will tally for 2,43,000. So I prepare journal entry, ledger account. With the help of the ledger account, I prepare the trial balance. I told what is trial balance. It shows the arithmetical accuracy of debit and credit side. What's the debit side? Shows expenses and asset. Credit side shows incomes and liability. It should be tally. Arithmetical accuracy means debit side should be equal to credit side. Hope you understand. We solve the problems of journal entry. We solve the problems of journal entry with the ledger. We solve the problem journal entry with the ledger and a trial balance. Hope. So in the last session, we passed only the journal entry. In this session, we passed the journal entry, ledger account, and the trial balance is also prepared. What is trial balance? Which shows the arithmetical accuracy of books of account. It has got two sides. One is called the debit side, one is called the credit side. What's the debit side? Shows assets and expenses. What's the credit side? Shows incomes and liability based on. So in examination, no, trial balance will be asked for 10 marks. Journal entry will be asked for 15 marks. 15 plus 20, 25 marks is here. So one trial balance 10 marks. Definition of accountancy account and the functions accountancy 5 marks. Then trial balance will ask for 10 marks. Journal entry will ask for 15 marks. Concepts and convention will ask also 15 marks. 15 plus 15 30 plus 10, 40 marks coverage is over. So first unit and second unit is over. Please go through it. If you have got a doubt, make a comment on that. Please go through the video, you understand how we have done. Hope you understand. We'll meet in the next session with the third unit. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next session.